Welcome to Tool Zone. We've curated a brilliant mix of clips where seasoned pros handle their tools like artists, with unbelievable accuracy and control. Watch the magic unfold as perfection takes shape before your eyes. Her movements are so fluid and precise, it's as if gravity is just a suggestion, not a rule. Every step is instinctive, refined through countless hours of practice hidden behind her effortless grace. He catches and stacks watermelons so fast, it's like watching a superhero with lightning-fast reflexes. The way he absorbs each catch with his body is both jaw-dropping and just a little nerve-wracking. Working with bees is like playing a high-stakes game of chess in the middle of a storm. One wrong move and you're mercilessly stung, yet the beekeeper moves with such calm and precision, it's as if he shares a silent understanding with the swarming thousands. Watching glassblowers at work is endlessly fascinating, but here's a question. Do they ever get entranced by their own creations? Because when fire, molten glass, and seamless motion combine, the result feels like real-life magic. When PPF is removed using a heat gun and bubbles show up, that's no accident, it's a smart trick. Those bubbles are like guides. Heat it, lift it, see a bubble, you're on the right track. Just peel the film off gently and enjoy a clean, glue-free panel. His slicing technique is like clockwork, confident, precise, and methodical. It's the definition of muscle memory in motion. Jewelry making is a craft that requires extreme precision. Only true masters can truly excel at it. Alright everyone, we can stop searching. We've found the ultimate method for painting walls and ceilings. Fast, flawless spray coverage. The Stone Symphony truly hits all the right notes. When lasers slice through darkness, painting stunning patterns and true talent steps on stage, you just sit there, speechless. This isn't a performance, it's visual hypnosis and soul-soothing brilliance. In commercial fishing, the catch doesn't come in by the bucket, it arrives by the ton, turning the deck into a swirling sea of scales. For us, it's an epic sight. For them, just another shift on the job. Here's a pro tip, need to strip off the top layer of grass quickly. Grab the right tool, and just like that, the turf lifts up as easily as pulling a blanket off a couch. No shovel struggles, just clean, simple efficiency. Alright, take your best guess. What's he doing with that hammer? Is it art, repair work, or some new form of hypnotic craftsmanship? The patterns are incredible. The craftsman clearly a master. Yeah, but the real hero here is precision. One wrong tap of the hammer, and that beautiful design could instantly become a disaster. Who says treasure only comes in chests? Here it is, an underground stash of clawed goodies. Just make sure to wear gloves before digging in, or you'll be wrestling pincers instead of prepping dinner. A car rim is custom painted by hand, resulting in a stylish two-tone finish with a handcrafted look. A decorative wall design is painted by hand using a brush and black paint. A decorative yellow insert is mounted onto the car's rim to match the vehicle's color scheme. Want to clean gates, walls, and more in no time? This soap-powered device gets the job done fast and flawlessly. Just look how easily it blasts away the dirt. Amazing! Say hello to the gadget that turns slicing tricky foods into a breeze. Every cut is smooth and clean, just like a pro chef is behind the knife. Watching vibrant dyes soak into the fabric's intricate patterns is truly mesmerizing. After the coloring process, the material doesn't just look brighter, it seems to gain depth and come alive. What a beautiful piece the craftsman is creating. His calm and steady hands show that he's clearly done this many times before. True expert at work. The way this street food is made is absolutely captivating. It looks so tasty, I wouldn't miss a chance to try it. What about you? Want a bite too? With a splash of paint and the hands of talented artisans, this table is completely transformed. Each one adds their own touch, turning it into a luxurious, high-end statement piece. Teamwork really does make the dream work. Just look at how smoothly they prepped the soccer field. Perfect coordination led to fast, flawless results. When it comes to soap making, creativity and simple tools go a long way. The artist here isn't afraid to experiment, and each bar turns out like a miniature masterpiece. Big grates aren't for brushwork. This job calls for serious gear. Otherwise, you'll still be painting when your grandkids are grown. Throwing materials up to someone on a rooftop? That's serious teamwork and serious trust. One wrong move and it could go very wrong. Is this a speed typing contest with a calculator? It's mesmerizing. Those numbers practically enter themselves. Let's be honest, not many could do this so smoothly. This vendor's reflexes and coordination are just next level. What is this enormous dish they're cooking up? No idea, but the process looks incredible, and it's got my appetite going. Filleting freshly caught fish outdoors. That's peak craftsmanship. You can almost smell the smoky grilled fillet or a bubbling pot of fish stew.